Shop build part 3, here we go. This segment we're going to be putting on the windows and the doors and siding. So here's the front door getting put in. And I hired the garage door he put in. He could put it in for what I could buy it for, so went that route. Got the returns finished and started with the siding. Here's a video.
Alright, first experience with Diamond Coat LP siding. So far so good. It's going pretty quick. It's got the lip so you can rest on the last row. Kind of self-aligns and locks in. So far so good.
What made it really nice was that I could install it myself without another person, because the strip on the bottom kind of held it so you could set it up there and work your way around. There's a lot of cutting and a lot of up and down, but I was able to do it myself, which was fun. So tricky parts were doing the gable by myself. I had help a little bit from family, throwing up some pieces, and I'd give them some measurements, but most of the time I did it myself. It looked pretty good. So here's where we had to bust out all the concrete that was covering up where the electrical was going to run. And here's me and the wife emptying all that concrete by hand. And then we trenched in from that area over to the new shop, so I could fit electrical, a spare tube, and gas all in one trench. It was 12 inches wide. And here we are putting the panel in. I put an extra panel and an extra piece of pipe that goes all the way to the house for, extra something. I want an intercom, or I want something out there someday, so that's why that's there. And we got some power run, gas line run, and here's a video on that.
Okay, video of the downstairs electrical. So this is overhead lights in the middle. This is attic, second floor lights. This is coach lights, three-way. It goes into the house as well. Turn on the coach and the over the door lights. These are the floodlights on the west side, and these are the floodlights on the east side. Missing one 30-amp breaker, but otherwise we're good. So I got one spare 3/4 pipe that runs up and just stops up in the ceiling. I got a spare, this is the box that goes all the way to the house. It is connected to the main in case I need to run power in here and somewhere else. There is also a 3/4 pipe that goes up and stubs up there and goes nowhere for future possibilities. Alright, so if we follow these 4 pipes, this first one is the spare, and the back 3 run up and over. One of them powers up these 3 receptacles in the ceiling. The far right one drops down here, goes to the outside outlet, heats this up, and those 2. Back up here, one of them goes all the way to the other side, and up and over and down. The other pipe jumps over to this side, comes down, picks up this receptacle, this one, and this one. There's 220 and 110 in there.
And this also goes up to that receptacle there, and then around to another one, and then up to the peak for the hoist. Okay, so the fourth pipe, which is 3/4 pipe, runs over to the west wall, drops down, picks up this one. 3/4 continues this way, north to this one, and up and over and down to this one. So I've got 220, 6-gauge wire in these two, so we can hold 50 amps in these. And then a 110 here, which also drops down to a 110 over here. South side now. That whip goes to the coach, that other whip goes to the flood. Then we got one pipe coming down here. Feeds this compressor. And another circuit runs over here for the boiler and controls. This is the floor heat manifold. Boiler's gonna hang from here. Here is the gas 1-inch pipe. Got a drop for collecting stuff. Goes up at 45 over to a 90, down to a 90, all the way across without stopping to here. There's a T and a capped nipple there for who knows what. Let's say you want it just didn't stay warm enough up in the attic. Well, there's a way to put a heater in. And comes down here and goes out right there. Right there. Got your 3-way swing for frost heave, shut off, tracer wire, special underground PVC, and the same thing at the other side. This is the spare. Nothing in it currently, and this is the main power 100 amp large red wire that drops all the way down, comes out, and then circles back and comes up here. And that's the ground rod and ground, which is grounded inside separately in the box.
So here I am trying out spray foam. That's quite the knack to be able to do that. It was nice enough for the guys that I hired to let me try it. But yeah, they were there all day. And spray foam's expensive, but I think it's worthwhile in this case with floor heat. So it's going to be super efficient and not cost so much to heat. And here's me and my son putting on the plywood.
Alright, we got one wall done. One of the 36ers. I'm going to do this back wall next. Alright, inside is covered. It's a long Labor Day weekend. Nice. And I'm a little short. Need 4 more pieces to finish cables up here. It looks good.